how can we be sure that all our prayers will be answered? I will answer you in the wrong way first. Brothers and sisters, prayer is not about numbers. It is not about 10 Hail Marys or 2,000 Hail Marys. Prayer is not about numbers. Prayer is not about language. It can be Latin. It can be English, Tagalog or Pangasinan, Italian or Spanish. God knows all these languages. If you want all your prayers to be answered, there are only two things that you must remember. Number one, when you pray, you must love much. Number two, when you pray, you must forgive much.